keep it.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Yeah. So okay. So again, remind me. So how does it?
Alright, Faith. Start it off.
Me?
This is just
Once upon a time.
There was a little funky marshmallow.
Plucky marshmallow.
And every day.
Oh.
Every day, he put some chocolate mousse in his hair.
Okay.
That's good.
Only from I like him.
Is this everyone says in line?
Yes.
But one day.
He didn't.
But one day.
One day.
Is that how I have to start?
You do. Yeah.
Just as the narrator here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
So he put chocolate mousse in his hair, but one day, he found he only had chocolate elk left.
Oh no.
And because of that.
Not chocolate. Noah's like, I got nothing here. This is not much to work with.
These could be long answers. They don't have to be short.
Okay.
You can progress the plot a
Max,
lot.
you're doing it wrong.
Okay.
I'm braising them.
Hey, it's okay, Max. I do it that way too.
I like to
You
see
do it
them.
worse.
Yeah,
You light it
way
on fire,
worse.
hold it up in the air as it burns through fingers, and then you
That's
eat
not
it.
what braising is either.
Now it's searing.
It's not how you do
Searing.
it.
No.
Braising is.
It's gotta be something
Steam,
innovative.
basically, right?
Did I cook
Yeah.
it enough?
Well,
What was the last thing? I can't.
wait a minute. What is
We
braising?
only had chocolate elk.
You only had
Oh,
chocolate
Rachel,
milk.
I
right,
thought you were
right,
touching
okay.
your phone with your
When I
marshmallow,
think of
like,
braising,
clicking
braising is
buttons.
like
I was
high temperature soldering.
Then? Is that the next thing? And then?
And because of that.
Oh, and because of that,
Not quite
He ran
welding,
away.
not quite soldering.
from his family.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
I know.
and because of that.
He wandered deep in the forest and he found a secret new ingredient.
And because of that.
Give it a twist, Lord.
Is that too blinding?
Because of that,
That's actually really cool.
he created something amazing and died.
No.
I'm sorry. Okay.
And
He
because
made
of
something
that?
amazing.
But what was it? You gotta give me one.
You tell me.
A giant death ray. He created a giant death ray.
Out of ingredients.
Yes. Hey, ingredients could mean a lot of things.
And because of that.
Well, he thought he made a death ray because the ingredients he actually ate was
Oh, eight.
Ate them and
I want to know what this marshmallow is doing.
This story is all in his head.
Shrooms would be better.
shrooms. Okay. He imagined he made a death ray because he was doped up. He was doped up.
And because of that.
Because of that, his life was just a mess. Fell apart. His wife left him.
Oh.
His little mom.
put chocolate elk in his hair and had a wife.
We have mini marshmallow babies.
Oh, it's a marshmallow.
Yeah.
I forgot that.
This story's progressed.
I thought it was a mushroom.
No, he's
Unicorn?
He's a plunky marshmallow.
I said funky, but funky.
Funky marshmallow.
Lizzie's translating.
Okay.
Yeah, out of
Hey, funky
English.
marshmallow films.
Yeah, that sounds super smart.
wait,
Hey,
so
Christian.
did we do because of that? Or
Was
did-
Philip
oh yeah, Philip had
Left him and all his mini marshmallows did too.
and because of that.
Also,
It's Michael's turn.
Let's see what that.
He bought a motorcycle.
So it does have a happy ending.
And finally,
He used his imaginary death ray to hold the world hostage
Whoa.
so that they would give him
That's-
more chocolate mousse. But because it was imaginary, they didn't believe him, so the police arrested him, put him in jail, and he spent the rest of the time there with no chocolate mousse, no motorcycle, no wife, no mini marshmallows,
No marijuana.
no funky mushrooms. But he could listen to funky tunes in jail, so he was still funky. The end.
And all the songs.
I was trying to come up with cool.
hey, I can see everyone.
My
Hey!
My Colts went up.
Get the pie.
So I didn't hear what Rachel said.
I didn't say anything.
Okay. I'm still deciding. I'm having a brain fart.
Cerebral flatulence.
Yes.
Give it the politically
I like
correct
this.
term.
I like this term. So once upon a time, there was a scientist who was, shall we say, cerebrally challenged.
And because of that,
Wait, if
And every
Every
day.
day.
I was switching it up.
Oh, okay.
Beginning one.
What? But those are the only ones that are different.
I know. Switch up the ones that are the same.
Oh, okay.
Add more in.
And every day.
He would eat his cerebral beans.
Oh,
Like
that's
a French
disgusting.
toast.
For added brain power.
For added brain power, at least that's what he told himself. But his wife didn't like the side
These guys
effect of
have
it.
wives.
But his wife did not like the side effect that those things had.
Because it was marijuana.
And one day.
He went blind.
What was that do?
So he couldn't eat his
With his eyes.
Yeah. That's yeah.
Oh, he should start as a piano player and then he got his hands cut off.
And because of that.
He had to stop taking the cerebral beans, and his mind cleared up.
Oh.
And he suddenly realized that he was doing nothing with his life.
Oh.
But because he was blind, he couldn't see what pills he was taking, so he started taking some other kind of pills. That came from a plant. Morgan! Somebody's got drugs on their mind. I'm in pharmacology right now.
And the side effects caused him to rampage through the city streets throwing candy canes at little children.
Ow.
That he couldn't see.
I'm Santa Claus.
Take that
Wait, is this a human or
Yes, it's a mad scientist.
it's a mad scientist human?
Hey, he's throwing candy canes.
So-
at kids.
He threw candy at kids, and one of the kids caught a piece of candy. It was a giant jawbreaker.
I said candy cane.
Whatever. I changed it.
He's blind.
He chucked it back.
You're right, he's
He
back.
also has no sense of touch.
This feels like a candy cane. It's round.
He thought they were baseballs, but they're really jawbreakers.
So the kid chucked this jawbreaker at him, and it went straight in his eye
Oh.
and stuck there.
And,
But
be-
he couldn't tell because she was
But
trying
he
to
couldn't
hide.
tell. I mean, he could feel it, but
Story times this morning.
and because of
and no matter
that.
how hard the nurse tried, she could not wash it out.
Wash it
Wash it
out.
out. Nope.
Could she lick it out though?
Irrigate.
Ew.
Jawbreaker. His wife had to suck
They had
on
to
it.
burn it.
Oh!
Okay, I was going for they were gonna burn it out, but that's much grosser.
That gave me energy.
Saliva eventually breaks jawbreakers down, right?
So anyway, the nurse couldn't get it out. Wait,
And because of that.
nurse couldn't get it out.
Because of that, I got an eye patch. Roamed to the 7 Seas.
Blind? He's blind though. Oh wait, no, the kid. The kid.
No, wait, tried to
So the kid's not the main character.
tried to be a
No, the
pirate, but it
scientist
didn't
is
work
blind.
very well because
He was black.
Yeah, but the kid got the jawbreaker in his eye.
No,
No?
the scientist got the jawbreaker in his eye.
Not really?
Yeah.
I thought it was the kid.
No.
I heard the kid.
The kid threw it back. And
threw the
Oh,
jawbreaker.
Oh, I didn't
The
hear that.
jawbreaker threw the kid out. The kid stuck right there.
Talk
Talk about foreign body.
So he roamed the 7 Seas. Is that's Phillips?
He's not a very good pirate because he's blind. That's what Phil said.
Okay.
I was watching a video about
So-
pirates.
And
so.
because he was blind, he sailed into the 8th sea.
Whoa. Dang.
And climactically,
His crew was so fed up with following a blind guy that they mutinied and threw him overboard.
I didn't say he was the captain.
But the sea was made out of special juice.
Special
juice that melted the jawbreaker in his eye, which magically healed his blind eyes. So he emerged from the 8th sea being able to see, but he was stranded on a gumdrop island where he starved of sugar overdose.
This is gone.
The end. Wait, sorry.
the
There you
end.
go.
Ow. That was my eyes. Okay, no, I should just do red light.
Okay.
Some veggies went to see to see what they could see, but all that they could see was the bottom of the deep blue see.
I like it for some things. Some things, okay. Mike always hated it.
That one. That's more understanding.
Oh, I did.
Because Gentle Jenny, she's
Behind the farm with a pinto veil underneath her arm. A pinto veil underneath her arm, and she feeds it to the baby.
Like, do you like
very family friendly.
Oh my goodness.
Family friendly.
Yeah. Do it by eye now.
All the way to Walker. To the tune of the signal.
Mom is
One I can do
It wasn't done. She put it on the table with his legs sticking up. Papa broke his glasses when he fell down drunk. Tried to drown the kitty cat who died to be a skunk. You gotta watch where you're going.
Yeah.
Didn't you know?
I also.
You gotta watch where you're going. Yeah.
And this guy,
Oh, little boy Billy went fishing for trout, played hooky from school till the cops found out. I don't remember the rest of it.
Sister Susie Sally went da-da-da.
Turned out to be a skunk.
No.
Can you do it, Morgan?
Same.
Let's hear it.
Moment? No.
Let's hear it.
To the bride. To the bride.
See, here's the thing is that I actually can't hit all the notes, so it sounds really
You
bad.
can sing it to yourself in the car from
Yeah,
being
exactly. That's what she did. In the car.
Which is the only time I really sing. Alone in the car. With no one who can actually sing around me.
I remember that night. I just might remember that.
This is what it feels like to match with someone that you love with the hell that catches the feeling of freedom. Seeing life has been crippled with a key and a kite.
Watch
You see, conversation that's 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Everything we said is total agreement. It's a dream and it's a bit of a dance.
A bit of a posture, it's a bit of a stance. He's a bit of a flirt, but I'ma give it a chance. As if that's fairly juicy, his hands to his hands, started fidgeting, licked his hands. His opinions, his flight, and seat of his pants. Hands out, flying as he got, he smiles and he came right. I wanna take it far away from this place, then I turn and see my sister's face, and she is
How bad? And I know she's how bad. Just and I realized 3 fundamental truths at the exact same time.
Where are you taking me? I'm about to change your life. By all means, lead the way.
I'm like,
Oh!
who says that?
Well, it's a flirty battlefield.
I'm a girl in a world in which my only job is to marry. My father has no son, so I'm the one who has to social class. I'm the oldest and wittiest and gossip and insidious. And Alexander is penniless. I want a mini-list.
Liza's, wait, was it? I don't ever remember the conversation.
My sister.
Wait, and he goes,
Just sweet.
Elizabeth Schuyler. It's a pleasure to meet you. Schuyler, my sister.
What does he say after that?
Thank
you for your
all
service.
of your service. No. If it takes fighting a war to meet you, it will
Would
have been worth it.
Oh!
I'll leave you to it.
Number 2.
Oh, it fell out.
he's after me.
Got a sister that's wait, the elevator's side to side. Have to be naive to set that aside. Maybe that is why I introduced him to Elias, and now that's his pride. He's going Angelica, he was right. You will never be satisfied.
And I think we actually, that's the next part, right? Wait, no. Okay. Number 3 is the sister, right? Or,
I know my sister like I know my own mind. You will never find anyone that's just as kind. Tell her that I love him, she'd be silently resigned. He'd be mine. She would say I'm fine, she'd be lying. But when I fantasize at night, it's Alexander's eyes. It's I romanticize when I feel bad inside. And I sweet quickly. At least I keep his eyes in my life.
that part's always so weird.
Like, that's creepy.
His eyes. She just has like a jaw in his eyes.
Yep.
She's like, I like you in your eyes. To the
Oh.
Why are you putting that in my head?
No, I'm
To the bride.